Hi. Nice
Wendy.
to see you.
Nice to meet you.
Come into our office.
Can you tell something about the main theme?
Our Capital of Culture is built on the story or the metaphor of the Maltese feast. So all the ingredients of the feast that are community, ritual, theatre, extravagance, life, family life on an island and using Malta as a stage, all that it comes into the Capital of Culture in a contemporary sense and into all parts of our programme.
I hope that 2018 will bring a lot of interest in culture in the wider sense. There is a lot of regeneration going on, buildings being restored, new culture hubs growing, derelict buildings being used again.
Zie je hier liefje dit jaar de hoerenbuurt van Valletta. En ik heb heel veel orenplakken in de stad weer. Die jongens net echt noffelijk om te wijzen en veilig. Maar het is nog helemaal verloren. Je bent al je restaurantjes en bartjes. Ja, het leeft hier weer, jongens. Wat is de strid echt een stuk levendiger gemaakt is dat Valletta 2018 nou regelmatig culturele activiteiten organiseert. Het lijkt ons hier.
It's going to be more tourists here in Malta and more financial. Oh, it will be good. For financial purposes, it's going to be good.
Perhaps we can see something which we don't have yet. Don't tell me what it is. Don't ask me what it is. But that's what we hope, to see something new.
We expect to be very busy. Valletta should be really beautiful by then. A lot of people have opened boutique hotels and touristic places, and it's really developing nicely, beautifully.